Hello scholars, welcome to Shalom. Today I'm going to give you 10 secrets to get a job in IT companies in India easily. So watch the video completely till the end.
Number 1. Obtain a relevant degree. Pursue a bachelor's or master degree in a field related to IT, such as computer science, information technology, or software engineering. A strong educational background is usually preferred by employers. Number 2. Gain practical experience. While studying, look for an internship or part-time jobs in IT companies. This will help you gain hands-on experience and build your skills in real-world scenarios. Number 3. Develop technical skills. Stay updated with latest technologies and programming languages in demand in the Indian IT industry. Focus on areas like software development, data analysis, cloud computing, cyber security, artificial intelligence, or machine learning. Number 4. Build a strong resume. Highlight your technical skills, relevant projects, internships, and any certification you have obtained. Tailor your resume to each job application. Emphasize the skills and experience that match the job requirements. Number 5. Create an online presence. Build a professional presence on a platform like Shalom Global Infotech apart from the job portals. Showcase your projects, contribute to open source projects, and connect with professionals in the IT industry. Number 6. Network within the IT community. Attend IT conferences, workshops, and meetups to meet professionals from the industry. Networking can lead to job opportunities and provide insights into the job market. Number 7. Prepare for technical interviews. IT job interviews often involve technical assessments and coding challenges. Practice solving coding problems and review fundamental concepts. Be prepared to showcase your problem-solving abilities and technical knowledge. Number 8. Stay updated with job portals. Regularly check job portals like Naukri, Indeed. Don't forget to Shalom Global Infotech in www.theshalom.com for quick placement in the IT industries in India. Customize your job search based on your preferred locations, experiences, levels, and skills. Number 9. Polish your communication skills. Strong communication skills are essential in IT industry, especially when working in teams or with the clients. Practice your verbal and written communication skills to effectively convey your ideas and collaborate with others. Number 10. Be open to learning opportunities. IT is a rapidly evolving field, so be willing to continuously learn and adapt. Take up online courses, attend workshops, or work on personal projects to enhance your skills and stay competitive. Shalom Global Infotech offer the active communication skills training dedicatively for all IT professionals. Remember, the IT industry in India is highly competitive, so perseverance and continuous skill development are the key. Stay focused, keep learning, and make the most networking opportunities to increase your chances of landing rewarding IT jobs in India.
I believe this video is so useful to all of you. If you like this video, like, share. To get more update, don't forget to subscribe and put your valuable comments. This is Samuel Chinnathambi. I'll catch up in the next video. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.